how to allow access to age restricted servers on Discord in 2024 and onwards. So that's quite simple and interesting, guys. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can easily enable or allow access to age restricted servers on Discord. So guys, inside Discord app there is no such option to allow access to age restricted servers. If you go here in privacy and safety, there is no option, but there is a trick that you can use to allow access to age restricted servers on Discord. You can go to Safari browser, and then you will have to search for Discord app login, and then you will have to long press the first website and then click on open, and it will open this Discord on your Safari browser. And I've already logged in on the browser. You'll have to log in for the first time. I've log in just 2 minutes before, and then you will have to click on three lines on the top left. After that, you will have to click on settings icon on the bottom right to head over to the settings, and then tap on privacy and safety. And right here, you'll find an option of allow access to age restricted servers on the iOS or iPhone. All you'll have to do is to toggle this option on, and that's all done. That's how you can easily allow access to 18 plus or age restricted servers on Discord in 2024. If you have found the video helpful,